Polynomials, Chapter 2. What is the term in an algebraic expression? What is the meaning of the word term, children? What does a term contain? A term contains what? A term contains a variable, and a numerical coefficient. A term contains a variable and a numerical coefficient. A term contains a variable and a numerical coefficient. What does variable mean? All letters A, B, C, X, Y are all called variables. Numerical coefficient means it can be a rational number or an irrational number. 7 minus 2 by 3 root 3. Example 7x square. 7 is called the numerical coefficient. X is called the variable. 7 is called numerical coefficient. X is called the variable. Variable means the value can change. X can take the value of 1. 3y minus 12z. Second one is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. What is an expression, children? A combination of terms. A combination of terms is called an expression. A combination of terms is called an expression. Or collection of terms is called expression. When terms combine, we get an expression. When terms combine, what do you get? An expression. When terms combine, what do we get? An expression. These are the basics that you already know. Only for you to remember and recollect, I have put it on the board, children. The second chapter for you is polynomials. Poly means many. The word poly means many. Before the word many, you must know the meaning of the word term. What is a term in algebra? A term contains a variable and a numerical coefficient. Variable means all unknowns are called variables. The letter X, Y, Z, P, Q, A, B are called variables. And numerical coefficients means the numbers 7, 3, minus 12 are called numerical coefficients. Second one, algebraic expression. A combination of terms is called an expression. Combining all the terms, we call it an expression. 4x minus 3y plus z is called an expression. A square plus b square minus 10c square is called as what? An expression. It is a combination of terms, a collection of terms. Now coming to the term polynomial. Polynomial. The word poly means what, children? Many. The word poly means many. An expression in which the parts of the terms, the parts of the variable are only whole numbers. You know the meaning of the word whole numbers, children? Whole numbers means positive. What is a polynomial? An expression in which the parts of the variable are only whole numbers. They cannot be rational or irrational. The parts should only be whole numbers, positive. And an algebraic expression in which the parts of the variable are only whole numbers. Example, 7x cubed plus 4x squared minus 1. Your variable is x. Variable is x. The parts of x are what, children? 3 and 2. They are positive whole numbers. Next, second one. 7 m to the power of 10 minus 9m plus 5. The variable is m and the parts of m are what? 10 and 1. They are positive whole numbers. An algebraic expression in which the parts of the variable are only whole number. That means they should be only positive. Yes. Fourth one, types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. The highest part of the variable, the highest part of the variable, the highest part of the variable, the highest part of the variable in the given polynomial, the highest part of the variable in the given polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. Example, p of x is equal to 7x to the power of 6 minus 4x squared plus 10, highest part, 6. The degree of p of x is equal to 6. Degree of the polynomial means the highest part of the variable in the given polynomial is its degree. Yes. A polynomial can have any number of terms, children. It can have 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, and so on. Types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Yes. One is monomial. Monomial means what? Mono means what? One term. A polynomial with one term. A polynomial with one term is a monomial. One term, 7x squared, five xy. Coming to the types of polynomials, girls. First one is monomial. Mono means one. A polynomial with one term is a monomial. A polynomial with one term is a monomial. Examples: 7x square, 5xy, 13m square, and all these are one terms, so you call it as monomial. Second one is binomial. A polynomial with two terms is a binomial. Bi means what? Two. Two terms expression is called a binomial. Minus 7x plus 3y, 10 mn plus 7m square. A polynomial with two terms is a binomial. Third one, trinomial. Tri means what, children? Three terms. The word tri means what? A polynomial with three terms is a trinomial. A polynomial with three terms is a trinomial. Example: a plus b minus c minus 7m square plus n square minus q square. How many terms? Three terms. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial, binomial and trinomial. Next, constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. All numerical numbers are called example: 4 minus 6, 10, 0, 3 by 8. Yes, coming to degree of the polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. All of you know what is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. 1. A polynomial of degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Example: minus 9x. Degree of p of x is equal to 1. Highest power of x is 1. Yes. Second one, 4x minus 3. The degree of it is a linear polynomial. Why? Because its degree, the highest power of x is 1. The degree of p of x is equal to 1. Next one, a polynomial of degree 2. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Example, 13x squared. Highest polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. 13x squared. The variable is x. The power is 2. The degree of p of x is equal to 2. P of x is equal to 9x squared plus 7x plus 9. The highest power of x, the degree of p of x is 2, and so you call it as a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3, a polynomial of degree 3 is called a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. P of x is equal to 79x cubed. The degree of p of x is equal to 3. P of x is equal to 9x cubed plus x plus 1. The degree of p of x is equal to 3. So you call it as a cubic polynomial. Fourth, constant polynomial. All numerical numbers are called constant polynomials. Polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. The highest power of x is 3, whose degree is 3. Second example, p of x is equal to 9x cubed plus x plus 1. The degree of p of x is equal to 3. The fourth one is non-zero constant polynomial. All constant polynomials have degree 0. Example, 9, 11, 14 and so on. The degree of the constant polynomial is 0. The degree of the constant polynomial is 0. And when we take the 0 polynomial, the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Page 26. Exercise 1.6 full. Please do for the next class.